What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna share with you how you can install your Python dependencies in your Ubuntu machine. So probably you have run into this error when you try to pip install, let's say virtual env, and you get the following error: command not found. But if you check your Python installation, you will probably see that you have already installed Python. So in order to solve this problem, you need to install pip by running the following command: sudo apt install, and then the name of the package, that will be python3-pip, and hit enter. And now you need to confirm with the letter Y and hit enter. Now I can simply run python3-m pip install virtual env. And that's it. Now you can use pip. And also you can run pip directly by running pip install, let's say Django. And that's it. Thanks for watching.